Hello students, I am Rashmi Vishwakarma, Assistant Teacher of Nisangram High School. Today we are going to study part 2 video of Matter in Our Surrounding of class 9. In this video, we are going to study at first, that is Brownian motion of particle by Robert Brown. Okay, just remember what is Brownian motion. Okay, that is very important. The random or zigzag motion of microscopic particles. Okay, as a result of continuous bombarding from the molecules of the surrounding media is known as Brownian movement. Okay, have you seen a light coming inside your room? In this light, you come to see dust particles are moving randomly and here and there. Have you seen such images? Okay, this is nothing but what? Brownian motion of particle. Okay, let's study three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, on the basis of classification of matter, which is based on the particle arrangement, energy of the particle and distance between the particles. Okay, there are difference between solid, liquid and gases. Okay, what things makes solid difference from liquid and gases as well as liquid and gases? Okay, so look at the differences. Okay, in case of particle arrangement, in case of solid, the particles are very closely packed. Liquid has less closely packed, and gases particles are far apart from each other. The force of attraction between the particle is very strong in case of solid. The force of attraction between the particle is less strong in case of liquid. And the force of attraction between the particles is negligible in case of gas. Kinetic energy between the particle is less in case of solid. Kinetic energy means movement. Okay, moving energy. Have you seen if a particle has high kinetic energy, then it cannot remain in solid state. Okay, so kinetic energy of liquid is more as compared to solid, and kinetic energy is maximum in case of gases. Okay, solid has definite shape and volume. Liquid do not have definite shape but have definite volume. Okay, gases neither have definite shape nor definite volume. Okay, just try to remember and please note it down in your notebook. It is very important. Solid has high density and cannot be diffused. In our previous video, we have studied about diffusion. Okay, just remember and recall. Try to recall. Okay, density is lower than solid in case of liquid, and density is least and can easily diffuse in case of gases. Okay, incompressible. Solid is incompressible. Okay, can you press a solid metaphor? Solid, that is solid. You can take examples of stone, chair, table, anything solid. Can you press it? No, right? So solid is incompressible. Liquid is almost incompressible but can be little bit compressed. Okay, but gases are highly compressible. Okay, highly compressible. So these are the differences of solid, liquid and gases. Okay, students, there are some questions for you. Just try to answer all these questions, okay, in your notebook. And just you, if you can, try to if you can try this, just show me in my next classes. Okay, thank you so much.